How do you install a pier underneath a concrete driveway? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair. Let's take a look at what that process looks like when we're trying to install that pier through the driveway. So best way to show that is actually just doing a simple comparison here between a breakout pier and a regular exterior pier. I'm standing in front of the breakout pier right now. This is gonna be where we get a jackhammer out and we have to bust out the concrete. The other pier that we're gonna look like is actually just down here. It's actually gonna be just a normal, what we call exterior pier. It's gonna use basic shovels. We don't have to get the big fancy jackhammer out or anything like that, just going straight in the dirt. A lot of folks also wanna know if there's any price difference between the two piers. Short answer, yes, there is. A breakout pier is a little bit harder to do than a normal exterior pier. So there is a slight cost difference there where we just have to bust out the concrete and then put new concrete back in to pour in a patch. Whereas this pier right here behind me, super easy to put in place. There's nothing in our way, nothing that obstructs us to get underneath that beam. So there is a small little price difference, not much though. There's gonna be a lot of questions that you're gonna have throughout this foundation repair process. We highly suggest going online to our learning center, as well as going through your prep guides and all your guides that we've sent you thus far and checking towards the end, because there is an actual whole process laid out there. We're also gonna drop a link down below. It's gonna answer any other further questions that you might have about your foundation repair process.